In this video, we're going to show you how to share content. Go to KILTR.com and sign in. For this example, we're logging in as the KILTR team, but you should, of course, enter your own username and password, as demonstrated here. Then click Login. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the My KILTR home area of the site. You'll be asked whether you want to allow KILTR to share your location. Let's select Allow so KILTR can provide better information based on your current location. Right, now we're going to post a status update. Let's share something we're excited about. First, we'll add an image. Under the Post field, you can see 4 icons for adding media content. Click on the first one to add an image. Click Browse and locate the image file on your computer, so you can also add files such as PDFs and Word docs in the same way. There's the image file. In this example, we're talking about the AC/DC exhibition at the Kelvin Grove Museum in Glasgow. Next, we want to add a video relating to the same topic. We can add movies from YouTube or Vimeo. Just go to either platform. Here we found a video in YouTube. Click on the video so we can go to its page and copy the URL or web address for that video. Go back to KILTR and paste the URL into the video field. Then click Insert Video and you'll see that the YouTube video loads. Now let's add an audio file. You can add audio files which have been uploaded to the SoundCloud or Mixcloud platforms. Similar to adding a YouTube video, click on the audio file you want to use, then copy its URL. Go back to KILTR. Paste the URL in the field and click Insert Audio. A preview of the SoundCloud player will then load. Now we'll add a link to the web page with more information about our post. Click on the link icon. You'll get the idea by now. Go to the web page, blog post or whatever it is you want to link to, copy the URL, go back to KILTR, paste it into the field and click Add Link. An extract of the link will appear, similar to other social networks, and you can choose which image you want to display. It also shortens the URL automatically using our own URL shortening service. So, we've chosen that image we want to use. Before we post, we want to enter some text into the big field at the top of the page. In this example, let's tell people how we're feeling. Just as you can choose what type of post to share, you can also choose who you want to share it with. Here, we want to share our update with all of our contacts, but you can select groups, contacts or events. You can keep editing it if you need to. When a post is marked public, it will be displayed on a user's public timeline. The public timeline is the view of a person's feed that is displayed when they have their public profile enabled. A public profile is visible to all users on the system, as well as search engines and people logged out of the system. Public posts are only allowed in open groups and, like user profiles, will be displayed on a group's public timeline when a group's public profile is enabled. Again, these are visible to search engines and people who aren't logged into the system. Finally, when you've finished adding content and making choices, just click Post. To see what you've posted, click on Network Activity to show your activity stream. You'll then see your latest post at the top of the feed. You've got the image, the web link, the YouTube video, which you can play from the page, and at the bottom, the SoundCloud player, which you can also play. Other users can post a response, like, dislike, report, or share your link, as well as respond with rich media content of their own, including video, audio, images, and links. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to get in touch via the KILTR feedback group. Thanks for using KILTR.